And they just made a new one too though.
I'm Mark, we're here at J-Tech, and today we're talking about engine cooling system. So when you turn your car on and your engine gets hot, from the friction of moving parts and mainly from your compression, power stroke, it's going to heat up your engine's going to heat up real quick. So when you turn your car on, the crankshaft spins the water pump, and the water pump is going to put water through the water jackets. It's going to push the coolant through the block, through the water jackets. As it goes through the block, it's going to come up into the head, and it's going to cool off the head. When it gets up to the head, by that time, your block should start to raise temperature. Once your block gets to around 200 degrees, the thermostat looks like this. This thermostat will be on your block, and the thermostat will open to allow coolant to flow into the radiator. Coolant goes into the radiator, goes through the lines, and these fins here are designed to radiate heat so that the air can flow right through it and radiate the heat off of the coolant. There's also a thermistor on the radiator, or you might have an ECT sensor on the block that'll tell your fan to turn on once the coolant, if your car is not moving, or if you're at a stop and you got no air coming through your radiator, it'll turn on your fan to keep that cool down when it's going through your block. Over here. Here you'll have your coolant reservoir, which really acts just for like a bypass valve. So this cap right here, as the coolant gets hot, it builds up pressure. When it builds up enough pressure at a certain point, this cap will lift off the spring and create a vacuum, and the extra pressure, the extra coolant will go back into the reservoir. When the pressure has slowed down and the coolant cools off a little bit, this will reset back down and it'll reverse the operation. That's how the cooling system in your engine works.